today in Shenzhen?
Currently, in Shenzhen, China, it's 27 degrees Celsius with cloudy skies.
Alright. Ask Uber for a ride.
There is an Uber X 4 minutes away from your Uber home address. Should I order it?
Yes, please. Oh. Turn off my room, please.
Okay.
Taxi!
你去哪里？
Where are you going?
Please take me to Hilton Hotel.
请带我去希尔顿酒店。
好，没问题。
No problem.
What's the function of this motherboard?
这块模板的功能是什么？
这是我们方案的演示版。
It's our solution demo board.
Hello. Do you have a cappuccino medium size without sugar?
Do you have a hot cappuccino medium size with no sugar?
你有热卡布奇诺咖啡吗？中杯，不需要糖。
Today was my first day in Shenzhen, China. Such an amazing city. We enjoy the food and the people.